Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel, where today we're going to do a little update on the GTR. So here we go. You can see down here, there's a couple things missing. So this R32 has had long-standing twins, but these twins have just about had it. Well, they have had it, and we have ripped them out. Now we have a lovely new manifold, a beautiful downpipe, and boxes of goodies. Alright guys and gals, so that's the latest update on our R32 twin turbo to single turbo conversion. Go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for future updates.